The segment is sponsored by Inspire in Utah. Pickleball is the fastest growing sport in the nation. Katy is here to tell us all about her go-to company for beginners and beyond. Welcome, Katy. So great to have you on.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
Oh, I'm excited. Pickleball is everywhere. You keep hearing about it, but I've actually personally never played. And for people like me who aren't sure exactly what it is, can you tell us?
Yeah, so it's a racket sport. It's kind of a combination of ping pong, badminton, and tennis, but it's played on a much smaller court than tennis, so it's ideal for all levels of athleticism. You can really play if you're a grandparent, with your kids, men, women, adaptive. It's so flexible and it's super fun and inclusive.
I love that. Okay, so would you say that the inclusivity, that's probably why it's so popular, right?
I think so. It's very social. People like to chat and have fun. And again, you know, you can play all sorts of ways, and it's just, yeah, super inclusive, and it's a great way to get exercise without even knowing you're getting exercise.
I love that. That's my favorite type, right? Okay, and how long have you personally been playing pickleball? Has it been a long time, or?
Yeah, so I'm originally from Seattle, which is where pickleball was invented, and I grew up playing in PE and stuff and thought it was more mainstream than it was, but really picked it up again in 2018 when I moved to Utah. It's great, it's really popular in Utah, and it's really fun to see all the courts and everything around, so that's when I really started playing a lot.
I love that, and I can kind of relate because I'm not originally from here, so I imagine it's probably also a really good, fun way to get out there and meet people, you know, if you're from out of town. Utah's constantly growing. Was that kind of behind the origin of your company's story, or how did it start?
Yeah, so my background is in e-commerce. I worked for Amazon in the US and the UK, and when I was playing, I really couldn't find any paddles I liked. I was like, everything looks super boring, like the side of an RV, and I wanted to make something that made people smile and kind of played off the pickle element and was just a little more fun and unique. So,
I love that. Well, just looking at these paddles, so cute. I love the big dill. It's such a fun play on words. And let's talk about your company itself, how it's different from other pickleball companies that are out there. I love your signage and everything.
Yeah, thank you. Well, we really try to be like the go-to brand for beginner and intermediate players, people who are just discovering the sport and playing, you know, a few times a year with their family, playing with their friends, that more recreational element. Our paddles are still super high quality, made with the latest like technology and you know, materials and everything, but they're really branded for that beginner and for people who are looking to have fun together.
I love that. They're so light and kind of easy to handle and not intimidating, like you said, for the beginner, but someone wants to get exercise. Let's talk about one of the biggest lessons that you learned throughout the process of creating this business as a business owner.
Yeah, I think for me, it's been really focusing on the customer and providing a good experience. If you have a problem or an issue and you call Big Deal Pickleball Co., you're going to get a real person, you're going to get a solution, and I think at the end of the day, that makes the job really satisfying and fulfilling just to be there for customers.
Absolutely, I can only imagine. Okay, and if you are looking to start a business and need resources to help you, you can always go to utah.org/inspire. It has such great information that will help you get started on the road to success. And Katy, you actually have a discount for our viewers, so let's talk about that.
Yeah, so our website is bigdealpickleballcompany.com, and we are offering a discount of 20% for viewers. So the discount's KUTV20, and you just put that in at checkout, and it'll take 20% off your order for the next few weeks. So
I love it. So great. And we're heading into spring. I think all of us are ready to get out there and do, you know, get some exercise.
Perfect time for sure.
Perfect time. Thank you so much for coming in, Katy. It's great to have you.
Thank you for having me. It's been great.